because there is a video I'm seeing on social media how Agoba is treating that Uncle J now. Now my question is, do we stop helping people with our platform? Why are people so ungrateful? Why? Why are people so ungrateful? And the reason why I'm doing this live video now, please, if you are a content creator, you do charity, before you help people, my brother, please make sure you find out who you are trying to help, because some of them are mad. Some of them are barara before. You don't go and help a madman. Give me expect that a madman will be grateful. I've made that mistake before, which I will never do that kind of mistake again. You get help when you shina adegema. Now look at what Agoba is doing to Uncle J now. Look at what Agoba is doing to Uncle J. But the question is, do we stop helping people? Should we stop helping people with our platform? I know how many people have given the opportunity to share their content on my platform. Even some of them, I created page for them. I try my best to monetize their page. Look at somebody like Pampum, this Ezugo boy. The guy that always sang pam 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 pam. This is a guy I saw his content on TikTok. I just love the vibe, the cruise. I wrote him on TikTok. I said, and I think that was during my birthday time last year. I wrote him up. I said, bro, I love what you are doing. I want you to come and perform on my birthday. He said, okay, fine. I should send him transport. I sent him transport. He came. You know, I created a page for him. I started managing him. I started posting him back to back. Some of the content creators that came for my birthday then, I pleaded with them, do something with this guy. And somebody like this guy, Yo Cash Out, Chi Machine, like all of them, they did content that time. Now, ask me where that guy did now. Ask me where Pampum did now. Ask me where that guy did now. To even create content now, they had them. To even create content. And see, make I tell you, if you be upcoming content creator, remove hand from this mini, because now waiting they mad so many of una these days now. Now waiting they distract so many of una. Both their musicians, you see all of them now when they post now say, do you remember this legend? His music made our childhood for fun. But now look at his condition. You people should tell them nothing but the truth. Some of them went into taking hard drug. Taking mkpụrụ mmiri gaa nwa nke Ishi ha na-aga ebuli o nke ha kopu ha jiri ego ha gbachaa ihe a na-aṅụ aṅụ ga hụ ha dị ka onye ajụrụ ajụ onye mere abandon o ya wee nụkata a musician nụkata egwu a musician, you will stop hearing from them due to ihe a na-aṅụ aṅụ crack, eyes, colos. This is what is distracting them from their career. I must tell you people the truth. Forget all these things they said when they were singing music. There's no money in music. They rip me. This one, that one. It's a lie, bro. I'm telling you what I know. I have seen so many videos trending now. Even this guy about the confirmers talking about Skibo. How can they pay you for a show? Get an echo show. You rule the day of the show. Get disappointed, yeah? Another person is talking that the show. You left that one at the show. You left the hotel room. They don't know your whereabouts. Waiting if you do you that kind of more when waiting if you make you no come show where you collect money. You see all these artists make una remove hand from all this, especially you see crack can make you forget the day of your show. Crack can make you say, leave, may I leave these people higher, so I go refund them. To refund, no problem. Ijile biya here. Then tomorrow, idi Richard and Paul apụta here asị tụwara gị ego. Bụ mgbe ọ dị gị n'aka iji nke gị na-ebi ahịa. Ebi ibina, ebi crack, ebi eyes. Then eche ọgwụ gị n'aka akpọpụta gị ihe asa tụwara gị ego. Ihe this Dick Infamous kwuru is nothing but the truth. I agree with him, but my anger is, why will you bring it out now? And I change this guy aka. But as for what you are saying, it's nothing but the truth. These upcoming musicians, both people who is managing them, should tell these upcoming musicians, both the una legendary or una legend, they should remove their hand from eyes. Eyes na agba madhara. Le onye nke gụrụ Jangolova, ọ na-arị m n'ahụ Jangolova. Look at him. Just take a look at him. You can't even sing epiliro ofu traza elu yiri ofu slippers. Come on. Ihe ndị aṅụrụ. Look at Pampom. Somebody I gave opportunity. I know how many of them that need an opportunity now. This my platform that I did not collect 1 naira. I did not collect faden. I swear with my life. I did not collect faden. One thing with me, when I want because how much so anything that made me laugh in social media, like upcoming I go like support because they had for person to make me laugh. Look at Pampom platform. Every day you keep doing one thing. Every day you keep doing one thing. Pam 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 pam. Master, I've called this guy several times. I said, come on, bro. This is social media. When you are doing one thing, if you continue doing one thing, people will not take you serious again. They will get tired of you. That's why you see. Do you know the reason why I'm not blaming Angela Nwosu? Angela Nwosu started as a how to fuck your husband. This one, that one, that one. Make it that one. People are getting tired of it. Angela Nwosu slide that one away. She started again by blue eyes, this one, that one, blue eyes, that one, and make it. She constantly say, if I say this one, they get tired of them. You be do reality content, yeah. Then that one a move warrior with Ashima Henny na Baburia. That one a move warrior. She continued with that one. She didn't do anything again. That's the media. Media. You may her thing. I'm not blaming her. She's doing her thing, man. As far as no, she's doing it without scamming anybody, without against. Some of you I am not in support of that one. If you want to create content. Do not create the one he just scam people. We come and expose you. This is Facebook, man. It is large. One person no fee chop 'em. I know how many of you, sometimes I know how many of you where I don't give opportunity for this my platform. Create page phone, monetize and phone. Look at Peacemaker, the Nollywood actor we are building house for. Can you imagine? Peacemaker, even Okulora, one of Okulora's fans had to send 500,000 to Okulora. Say support other project then. I traveled. I didn't hear from this man again. Every money I contribute, every dime money I contribute here came to his account straight. Came to his account straight. Or yeah, come batara. Now, dear my boy, to go and check that house project. I call that during that time I go on my one because I don't know bina bacha. As I'm talking to you, no, 10 minutes oganaba now. I'm sure na bacha ya na mri na sobata ni media. This man e were ga to tare video you they call me. Peacemaker now says that no Jiega to Tarea go where just 3 rooms called it near 3 rooms and palo. Peacemakers no Jiega to Tarea man at that period I don't go on a Maya. Now are you expecting people to still come and contribute again? Ule rule zinc, akola one side is zinc, the other side akube a zinc. Ota mini zogana mini mage. I don't see I don't really understand people. Sometimes mlegide people like this, I become as an ikagum. Somebody I saw made the platform me raise go romulo kuoshishi. Guess a maga give she there. We go imechala no burial. Akololo have one side is zinc, the other side I could be a zinc. Now or capital again now to akwara go. He has been calling me. I've been avoiding his call. Even this morning, he called me. Don't know the misused opportunity. Ehunubeka through Lulusi opportunity come but once. Now true, some opportunity they come twice. When that opportunity, and when some opportunity, then I be once. When it comes, grab it. No go misuse them. Cause you know, and when you see a dosarage. Even that period, I created a page for him. It's just for him to be doing content so that they will monetize that page. As I'm talking to you now, that page a rule of monetization. It's just for him to be dropping content so that they will monetize it. He can't make content. Ike Adigia Mekon because why him period that page that time was I'm a moto fundraising now. One somebody who is giving might wake up one day where they say they will not do it again. I created that page so that Anugidola Egogudi Anaka hadn't been that this man mega content came by and name him. Maya Ngodi Egonde Emekre from Facebook. Yeah, completed the house. But you people should go and check that page and see when last I drop a video there. Go and type on real peacemaker. I created that page. I grow that page for him with this my page. I've given so many people opportunity in this my platform. I know it's as an Okanko. People where I give opportunity with this my Attire page. Grow monetize here, but they're all stupid. The only one who make them proud is this extraordinary marketer. I know some of you will be saying he's not dropping content like back to back. In a small boy in the school, is it SS1 or SS2? So I don't really want to distract him. I chom ko obru content in Ishi now. Obru content in Ishi or na school otilo. So no long ye mechara obere msia mechara obere post to focus on your school. Yole wayek, ole cha wayek na. Yeah, about yours or during jump before I about school, I go nowhere in day. I know many where I don't give the opportunity. Boss, I beg and I become that. I don't tell why they find you. Hey, be mandege be no. Hey, my boss, biko. I say okay, let's do this. Before you know it, pam page a charoko. But go and check them now. Ofu Kejishi came one viral video mbaho. Ishi copy ya dia ko blow yela. Ya dia ko blow yela. Some of them cannot even come up with a content. You go create page for them. You go monetize page for them. You will still be the one to tell them what to post. Eridruneri. I will create page for you. I will grow it with my own for you. I will monetize it for you. I will still be the one to give you content. Are you not stupid? Go and check all of them. Go and check without collecting 1 naira. Page $sign, but they don't have anything to post. They don't have anything to post. Look at Peacemaker. Now the house project now not pending. The house project now is pending. I gave you page. I grow it for you just for you to be putting content so they will monetize it. You are lazy to do content. Nollywood. Now you are calling me. I call all of zinc. One side the roof, one side the roof. Be mini zoga. The batch and give mini sub agadia. Now you are calling me to come again to start calling people. Sibiko ada to akwara ego. Ego ka to taraga to tagisi ji ame beri alum mage. Look at you. You all know the blind girl I helped. Miracle, the blind girl. See, I don't swear, say, you see this platform, I know if you use them, will help anybody again. Say, I want to come do fundraising. I can never try it again. I got me. Look at the miracle, the blind girl. You people saw how I was running about. PK from village. You people saw everything. Now, in case that girl like I'm not moto ma conjin. I even had to go and hire moto. I did not buy case miracle that time. Me and Flying Angel and the light music. Look at miracle, that blind girl. Why is it that you people are not even asking me of that blind girl? Why? Why you know they ask me of that miracle, the blind girl? I just that girl, the girl God, you see this God. Those condition no those reason. Do you know why I'm saying all this? Go and check this boy Uncle J that helped this Nollywood man Agoba. I was watching that video this morning. He never tell why I just wake up. Like I was shedding tears. I was like, because I knew how that guy was running about that time. Now, even OPM had to invite them to Port Harcourt through that boy, Uncle J. Now he came to visit Agoba. Agoba na Apoyo Nyoshi. He collected this money due to somebody is behind it. Somebody Agowale that Uncle J. And let me tell you, I know you. There is this particular lady lap Waragobana and make content. If what you are doing is to spoil Uncle J's name, all in the name of to gain access to be doing content with Agoba, be very, very careful. You see this Facebook money, one person know the chop am. It's too large. Now that will make me now begin the talk because these things now waiting I carry for mind since I say I know you see this platform I know if you use them again and as in I never see what go make me use this my platform again. Come out here they tell you and say because you know aka I hope me here game memo me short thing again because in the as in I regretted it. Look at Miracle the blind girl. Look at Miracle up tara no lewu. Miracle up tara which a lot of get shake we are. Let him get describe about that girl. Look at Miracle. Look at Miracle. Some my boss from Dubai acquire Miracle for 3 good years. Seaman Global, San Diego, Senyaka furnish Miracle with other people that I don't even know their name. Every money was going to her account. As I'm talking to you now, Miracle sister anaghị eri nri n'ụlọ ahụ. Ochicha nri Miracle ewere mmiri wee gee. The sister is telling me now na Miracle si ya na ọ pụọrọ ya n'ụlọ ahụ, that she doesn't need that. Do you know that Miracle achọọla nanny ya ahụ? Miracle ga ya ewere ego, ya ewere amam one boy ọrụ ya love, a blind girl, a boy a na-deceive ya with love. Miracle were ego ya ga na-esendere the boy. When the brother of Miracle bịara bịa gwa m sị m brother na m lekwa ihe na-emenụ. Na Miracle ga na ọ ga bank were ego, the guy na ama ihe the boy rụga ya arụga, Miracle aga POS sendara the boy ego. Di ụmụazị sị a ga-esendara eme ya were akaụntụ nye ụmụazị sị na a ga-esendara so person ego. Onye a na-enyere aka. Onye a na-enyere aka. Na Miracle na achụọla nanny ya. Duto nanny ya kwu okwu, as in she know the like person wey dey advise her. Here nwatakịrị m si dee na ma m ncheta mgbe m na-ekwu okwu sị azụtara nwa keke, azụtara this girl keke, ya sị na chọọ keke na ihe ọ chọrọ irewo mama put. Elenu otu onye kpuru isi shere mama put. See, before you people help somebody in this Facebook or anywhere, first I check on the mental health onye ahụ, because some of them are mad. Ara na-agba ha. Some of them are mad. Miracle now, as I'm talking to you now, the big sister is telling me that Miracle told her to leave the house. No poor ya no ya. Miracle guy, wa mama onye would this boy no get love, ye were ego na enye ya. Me enye kwa no bank order, sa freeze ya account. Miracle aga nke abe were ego. Asi akpo ndị mepere ya the account na phone. No ha wa ga-enye order before release eri ego. Miracle so over her dead body. Na ko na ya hate kwuru duru help na kama na agakwara happy ya na arịọkwa arịrị ya na aga. Enweghị ihe Miracle na-ekwu for m na phone. O mecha delete number block m. Yeshi abagawa Port Harcourt ịga another branch iwere ego. Agwakwa ya the same thing. Na senior man ekwutela okwu wifi ya ama block kwago. Ekwugem something important. So what am I saying? Before you help anybody here, buzo check ma mental issues kwara onye ahụ oke. Na na-ele brother mere video ya sị be careful of how you help people. Mo ya imagine ihe dosoro onye ahụ ọnọdụ ahụ ọnọ. Mo ya kwadati ndosoro ọnọdụ ahụ ọnọ fit drag you down. Look at Miracle enyechara aka. Look at Miracle enyecha onye na-aza atụ onye ga-anọ n'ụlọ ya na onye na-aga anọ na-achọ ịchụpụ adanne ya n'ụlọ. Adanne ya shie nri ya awe ya mmiri. Mgbe m ji mara na that girl aga bụ uruwo mgbe after ego niile nọ na akaụntụ ya agawa Zion. Okwudo okwu ka emepe ya anya. Ya anawakwa ego. The ego enyere ya anyere ya 400,000 ya alọta otu mpa ya anọ sị hapụrụ ha for 7 years ya were 200,000 naira nye ya si ya na ọ ga-azụwa akpakara. The remaining 200,000 John Miracle ihe o ji ya mee. I personally freeze the hack. Asị m the bank any day obere do na release ere ego. Ahapụ ego ahụ there. Let them leave that money. Ego anọ na account. They should leave it there. They should leave it there. The time I came to that house, maybe I chopped an onye ego. The kind of insult that girl unyere m. The kind of insult to Miracle unyere m. As in I shed tears. M si ihe ọkwa onye m kwụgbaricha n'ime ọhịa ga-akpọpụta ebe obi. M si ihe ọkwa nwatakịrị m gbarichara with flying engine na the light, even the light music. Onye ndị ka akọrọ gị ihe Miracle na-ejiri ọnụ ọjọọ ya. Ọnụ ọjọọ ya. Now before I go use this platform say help this person again. Guy. If no ndị mmụọ ozi gbatugo the more I ga-eme ya. I no go do am. I no fit do am. Aga m eme ya again. Aga m eme ya. Cause some of them na-abịa no ha na-eme ka ha na-anwụ anwụ. Inyechara ndị a ka ha wụọ tiger. As I'm talking to you now, Miracle now, the senior sister, Now me they give her money. Instead they know they give them food again. She tell me Miracle say any and you understand any. Now me the last time I say I give them 10K. Who say make I bring her up? Send request, make I bring her up. If you send request, let me bring you up. The last time I saw the guy, I gave her 10K. What I cry, Tashi. Imagine in girl na say brother na chọtụrụ ni ego ka ọzụrụ pad for period ya ka ị ga-eji mana na enwedo onye na-elire ya anya. Miracle dị heartless. Were ego na-enye nwoke blind girl. Onye a na oji love eme gị n'ugbo onye condition ya dị ụta. Onye na-aghọta bụ onwe ya. This Ndi Igbo say make I bring him up. Send request. Nah, my brother, before na help people, before na help people with una platform, na amorona me here, I know they do again. Emechalam SMG platform say because help this person. Ndeke mere as in ihe mere m jikwu okwu a na-awụ nke this Agoba and this Uncle J Uncle J nke gbara mara, cause I know how Uncle J was running about for this Agoba. Ya wanwozi onye Agoba kpọga ekwensu. Agoba kpọgazi ekwensu. Kwemere akụ m bugharịchara gacha makalaba maka okwu anya ya. Yes, now that girl, the first person will make me enter Calabar. Gacha Calabar, Buaricha this girl. But it's well. Onyomena manana. Very much. Now my brother, I know let come help or I know the help no tiger in a charu naka. Even unuhu Ndi Igbo send me request now, let me bring you up. Unuhu donya no down no before now no fee help am. And when I know who him made that girl, leke bagamara ke Nollywood actor ano gara ụlọ. Ị ga-atụtara gasị ị ga-ejigodi nrụtagodi shade. No, case nke I don't even know what to say in his own case. Mbo the Nollywood man ano gara ụlọ. Send me requests. Stop telling me, how can I bring you up when you did not send requests? Ị ga-ahụ ebe esere isi mmadụ abụọ, click it. Atọra ga-ego say mgbaru ụlọ. Asịkwa bido business, ya sị mba. No la aka ya mkpa na ya bi na Abacha. True obi na Abacha. Ota mmiri nọ zoga na Aba now. M sị gị mmiri, I'm sure na mmiri baga n'ụlọ ya. Adam sure na mmiri na-aba n'ụlọ ya. Ya were ya ọsị that period anọ na arụ ụlọ na mmanya nwụrụ. Na ya ji ego na ya shidi alie mmanya na ego agwụ. Ugbe aka ọlụ ụlọ roof ole one side, the other side the roof be mmiri zogakwa no magakwa ma oshishi. Ana agwa people that owo opportunity niile na abia twice. Onye bekee say go opportunity come but once were ihe ọhụrụ. Some of them know they come twice. Or obia Canberra once, grab it, jishie ike. Ichewe mgbe ọ ga-abịa ọzọ. O kwere ike ọ gakwa abịa o. Ladder there for understep. Understep, yeah. Now the man umbu peacemaker, he's calling me up all him 5 missed call today. Came born on an around and ambiko no nambiano ka eme video ka yari on dowa. Ka yario say in with conscience or wait for one disturb one them mad again. Sabi to warage control or zinc kwabadia. Kenye again ji aga liam magi. Na I hope I'm one or two. I'm out to get shade those on Sorogeri or the area. Now why I never go? Neka, thanks for the stars. Send Daram request and I never see your request. Thanks for the 20 stars, Neka. I appreciate. You know send me any request now. I know they see your request here. You may send the request. I don't see your request. No. I fire keke guy. No, but that keke guy, I see the reason if not to use that one settle am more, bro. I will tell you. Nah, no, they see your request to let's say I go through you. So, Uncle J, if you are watching this live video, hapa go by Isiagu onya mono gara nyoro onya araka. Isiagu yamma. So Uncle J, koporo the man, leave him alone. Agazila dia before onye were mma one day gbuo gi. Akọwa ihe ọzọ. Leave him. Even from the way he talks, ị ga-ama na Isiagu the man mma. Mbo that agoba. So ụmụnne ya gazie. Onye ma kpamkpom dee ya sị kpamkpom. Namsia change your content to Omega. Let him change content. People are tired of the pampum. Onye maya get ya zie ya ijiri number boy na phone. Cause very soon he will pay jam create chara ha niile na enwe ha ezigbo ihe ha ji ya na-eme. People choga the monetize page achoga. I go sell all of them. Okay, brother, send requests. Send request. I want to use that keke settle amo. Say one go pay bright price. Neka na nige maybe na send the request in case he na send it. One nigga maybe in the request case in I send the machi. Mena come na help. My dad I know ebi me village ebe ahụ mbara. My dad akpọm na phone sim na ele m gara ime ebe ahụ. Na mmakwa egbe mbara na ihe ogbe ndị kidnapper. I can't send you requests in Neka. It's not possible to send you. Now you go send, then I go now accept you. Oh, to Sharoro.